Well, my friends with the direct drives move out, and they've got a fan that's in their new house. So here you go. This is in my friend's room. Yeah. Littleton. There's medium. This replaced what's in the other 2 bedrooms. Nothing exciting. There's Lee. So, back to high. And I'll show you the next room. This is in his sister's room. This is in the other room too. It's just a generic Hampton Bay Minuet. This was installed by some very intelligent people, as you can tell. Medium. This fan is also way too small for a room this size. And there's low. Makes noise. But yeah. Here's the master bedroom, same fan. This one has the Hampton Bay pole. Medium. Low. Okay. Nope. That's high. Okay, there's high. Wobbles. Medium. And low. There. But yeah. That's it. There's the cheap little fans that are in their new house. One that wobbles. 2 wobbles worse. And 3. Not even gonna bother doing a spin down, but here you go. It's obviously gonna be nothing exciting. You know what? Screw it. And also, a lot of the light switches, all the ones in the bedrooms are backwards. See, look. So is the one in here. This one's on a shorter down rod than that one. And this one too. You can tell how intelligent they are. There's 2 screws missing. But you know, it's just awesome. So that's it.